Dear children, welcome to the online class. Today, I would like to bring your attention to the chapter Samuel, the priest and prophet under Unit 1. Children, who was Samuel? Samuel was the most notable person in the judges, priests, prophets tradition of Israel. He was the last judge, the first high priest outside the priestly clan of Aaron, the one who anointed the first two kings of Israel. He was a great defender of faith, a great leader of Israel after Moses. Elkanah and Hannah were his parents. Even long after their marriage, they were not having any children. They had to suffer a lot of taunts and anguish. But they comforted each other and went regularly to the tabernacle to worship the Lord. Eli the priest saw Hannah's lips trembling silently when she prayed at the tabernacle. He thought that she was drunk and scolded her. But when Eli realized the truth, he blessed her, saying that her prayers would be granted. After 1 year, Hannah gave birth to a son. She named him Samuel, meaning asked of God, because she said that she had asked the Lord for him. When Samuel started having solid food, the parents went to the tabernacle with the child and worshipped the Lord with priests. Then boy Samuel was presented to the tabernacle to be brought up there. During the period of Samuel, Israelites were at war with the Philistines. Philistines defeated Israel in the war. Israelites brought the ark of the Lord from Shiloh to their military camp. When they saw the Lord's ark coming, their shout of joy was so loud that the ground shook. Philistines heard the shout and panicked, but they fought desperately and defeated Israel and captured the ark of the Lord. Hearing this bad news, Eli the priest fell down from his seat and died. Since it was no longer safe in Shiloh, Samuel shifted to Ramah. Elders of Israel approached Samuel and asked to give them a king like all other nations had. Samuel told them regarding the hardships they would face under a king. People refused to listen to Samuel, so on God's direction, Samuel anointed Saul from the tribe of Benjamin as king of Israel. But when Saul defied God's commandments, he was removed from kingship, and then in place of Saul, Samuel anointed David, son of Jesse of Bethlehem, as the king of Israel. Samuel was a person who claims to be able to predict what will happen in the future. He made sacrifices and offerings to the Lord for the sake of the Israelites. He used to give them advice whenever they needed. People prayed with Lord to save them from their enemies. Their prayer was heard. Lord accepted Samuel's offering and helped Israel defeat Philistines. The stone Ebenezer, meaning stone of help, is a memorial of the Lord's help. Thus, Samuel executed the priestly duties as well. To conclude with, dear children, we have learnt about the birth and childhood of Samuel and kingship, and also about how he executed priestly duties. Hope this session was useful to you all and would have helped you in learning about Samuel. Thank you. May God bless you all.